Hi, welcome to Wise Guys. This video I'm going to show you is a system of equation. It's not linear, but we can use substitution method to convert it to linear equations. Let's look at the question. The first equation is 2 over m minus 3 over 2n equal -5. The second equation is 4 over m plus 1 over n equal 22. So we use substitution method to convert this nonlinear equations to linear equation. Let's do this. That's x equals, we're using the new variables. In the question is m and n, we use x equals 1 over n, because m on denominator. If we use x equals 1 over n, and this term will be equals, because 2 over m is 2 multiply 1 over n, then become 2x, right? X equals 1 over n, y equals 1 over n. After this substitution, we convert the first one, become 2x minus 3 over 2, 1 over n is y, y equal -5. And the second one becomes to 4x plus y equal 22. And then this is linear, x, y is linear. So we convert this one, because they are denominator, we want to get rid of denominator by multiply by 2 for each term. So we can write this one, multiply by 2 for each of them. The first one got the 4x. This will cancel out, minus 3y equal -10, right? You need to multiply each term by 2. This one keeps same. Or we can do this one. We can multiply -1 for this one, because we have 4x. If we want to make this -4x, that's easy for us. We got actually change each sign to its opposite. -4x minus y equal -22. Then we can add these two. From the first, we use substitution. After change the equations to linear system equation, we're using elimination, right? So always to see which one is easy. So these two cancel out when add these two equations. Minus 4y equals negative plus negative, -32. We divide the -4 for both sides. We got the y equals 8. And using this one, then we're using the y equals 8 to substitute into any of this one. So we use this one. So we can label as the 3 and the 4. We go to y equals 8, go to the 4 equation. We have 4 times x plus 8 equal 22. Move 8 to the other side. We have 4x equal, this is 14. So you divide by 4 for both sides, right? So we got x equals 14 over 4, which is 7 over 2, right? 7 over 2. We got the x equals 7 over 2, y equals 8. And don't forget that we still need to put the answer back, because we substitute x 1 over m, x 1 over n is y. We're looking for m and n. So after that, we say x equals 1 over m So we have m equals 1 over x, right? Reciprocal. So the reciprocal of x is 2 over 7. And the same thing, and y equals 1 over n. N is the reciprocal of y, which is y equals 8. This is 1 over 8, right? So then we got, so that's why the answer m equals 2 over 7, n equals 1 over 8 is the solution. So we can double check the answer, checking. So we plug m equals 2, 7, n equals 1 over 8 into the original equation. So we go this one, say the first equation we have is 2 over m. We can put the 2 on the top, m is 2 over 7 on the bottom, minus 3 on the bottom is 2 multiply n, which is 1 over 8. To see if it is equals to -5. So this one we can write the 2 divided by 2 over 7, which is multiply 7 over 2, right? Change division to multiplication working with fraction. This is the minus 3 over 2 multiply divided the 1 over 8, which is multiply 8 over 1. And to see if it is -5, and we cancel 2 with 2, we got the 7. And this is cancel 2 with 4, we got 3 times 4 is 12. So this is equal to -5, right? This is the first one is okay. The second one equation is 4 over m, 4 over m, which will put 2 over 7, and plus 1 over n is 1 over 8, to see if it is equal to 22, right? And we can do the same job. 4 times divided 2 over 7 means multiply 7 over 2, plus, see, 1 divided 1 over 8, which is 1 multiply 8 over 1, which is reciprocal over 1 over 8. This 1 over 8 means reciprocal 1 over 8, of course, equals 8, right? So 8, 22, cancel this. So 14 plus 8 equal 22. So this method is very useful. Thank you. Presented by Wise Guy.